let's start creating the set. On the computer screen, you can see that a set K1 is created. Now we will run it. Here you can see that a set is created of 5 elements. Now we can create a set with another method by using curly braces. Now we will run it. So here is the output, which is similar to the first one. We can also create an empty set. Creating the empty set, we have to use set. Now print K1. So in the result, we can see that an empty set is created. Now, apart from this, we can also add, update, remove and discard the values from the set. So let's see these methods one by one. We can add values using add method. That is, create add method, we have to create a set first of 4. Now we have to run a command k1.add 6. Now we will print it. So here is the output. We can see that 6 is added in the set. Also we can add more and more values by using the update method. Now we have used update method. K1 dot update 6, 7, 8. Now update. We will run it. So here is the output. We can update the set with another set as well. So here if I made another set, I use some duplicates value also. Let's update it. We have to create K2 to show duplicate value. Now we have to create K2 equals to 7, 8, 9. Now K1 dot update equals to 6, 7, 8, K2. Now we will print it. So it is going to be add the values of both the set K1 and K2. We can see that both the values are added and as usual the duplicate values is removed since this is a set and it does not accept duplicate values. So in the next step we also learn to remove the values. For this we can either remove method or discard method. So here are we going to remove the value 5 from the set. K1 dot remove 5. Now we will print it. So here in the output, the 5 is removed from the set. Also we can use discard to remove the values from the set. Use given dot discard 5. Now we will run it. So we get the similar output as the first one. In both the cases the result is same, but there is a difference between the remove and discard. But when we try to remove the value that doesn't currently exist by a remove method, it shows the key error. For example, s1 dot even dot remove 6, which is not in the set. Now we will run it. So you can see that we obtained a key error. On the other hand, if we use discard method, which is s1 dot discard 6, so we obtain the same set. It will not show any key error as we can see here. Now we will look upon the use of intersection. So here we have their different sets as k1 equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, k2 equals to 2 comma 3 comma 4, k3 equals to 3 comma 4 comma 5. 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now all these sets have some overlapping values. Now we will use intersection methods between all these sets to find the overlap values. First we will do intersection between k1 and k2. So k4 is equals to k1 dot intersection k2. Now we will print it. It will give all the values those are in k2 and also present in k1. We can see that k1 and k2. Or we can see that 2 and 3 both are in k1 and k2. Now we will add s3 also, k3 also. Sorry, by mistake we have print k1. Now we will print it again. 2 and 3 are the both values of k1 and k2. Now we will add k3 also. So s4 is equals to k4 is equals to k1 intersection k2 comma k3. Now we will print it. So here it is the output, which will give all the values that are in k2 and k3, which is difference. We can use difference instead of intersection. Difference k1, difference k2. Now we will print it. We can see the result is 1, and you might be wondering why 4 is not a result. This is because we are running the difference method on k1, not on k2. If we run the difference method on k2, the result will be different. Now we will run the difference method on k2. Now we will print it. So here is the output. The result is 4 because we are applying different method on K2 and 4 is in K2. But if we want the value which is in K2 but not in K1 and K3, we will write K4 equals to K2 difference K1 comma K3. Now we will print it. So the result is empty set. This is because K2 doesn't have any values that is not present in K1 or K3. Now we will use same method for K3. So K4 equals to K3 comma K1 comma K2. Now we will print it. As we can see, the result is 5 because 5 is neither in K1 or nor in K2, only present in K3. Now we will use the symmetric difference. The symmetric difference allows you to compare two sets and get all of the difference between both the sets. For example, K4 equals to K1 dot symmetric difference of K2. Now we will print it. So the result is 1 comma 4 in which 1 is in K1 and 4 is in K2, K4. So this was the symmetric difference. Now if we want the value that are different between both the sets, that is 1 and 4, that is called symmetric difference. Now we will learn to remove the duplicates. For this, first let's create a list. Consider it L1. So L1 equals to as repeated values. Now we want a list equal to this one but with the duplicate removed. So we can say that L2 equals to list at L1. L1 where L2 is another list. Print L2. So you can see that we have a list of 1, 2, 3 and duplicates are removed from the list. Now we will look another example in which we can use these operations. So consider three lists, which is one is employer, which is equals to Ima, Jagan, Satyam, Arpit, Google, comma, genus, 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 comma, John, John, comma, Chanvi. Now the gym member, gym members is equals to Arpit, comma, John, comma, Sina, Sima. Now the last one, developer list, first list equals to Jugal, comma, Sima, comma, Satyam, comma, Janvi, comma, Arpit. So we will try to find which employees have both gym membership and developers. Here we will use the intersection method. So we have to write result equals to set gym members dot intersection developers. Developers. Now print result. Now we will run it. As the result, we can see that the result is Arpit and Seema. Both of they are developers and gym members. Now we will find out who are neither gym member nor developer. For this we have to use difference method. So result equal to set difference gym member, comma, developers. Now we will print it. As the result came out, Jeenat and Jagan both are neither gym member nor developer. So this was the video on the set and its methods. Hope you learned from this video. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video, do subscribe to my channel Codemaster and share the video. Thank you.